Wow, molweni namkelekile nonke kweZHSB Entertainment. Guys, esisazi namhlanje we are celebrating all the mothers in the world, be it a biological mother who went to a labor ward or mother who stepped out, but we know the saying, it takes a village to raise ingane. So Umpilo Nango once again has showed so much your guys English appreciation to omama bakhe ke ababini kunguThobile Mseleku noThobile, right? And ubapostile ke phayana ke ku Instagram wakhe esisithombe esihle. Also ke uye wabhalela uMakhumalo. Guys, I think obviously it's because uMakhumalo is famous. I-message yakhe siye sayibona Instagram wakhe uMakhumalo, but the other Thobile obviously guys akekho famous and amehlo it doesn't as though ungumuntu ongawathandiyo. So those people that are saying hayibo umpilo umamakhe akamsendeli messages wara hayibo, guys, how do you know? Wazingani, how do you know? But anyways, recently uMakhumalo and umpilo, they have been supporting each other after Udado Mseleku ebajikele ke kuthando nesithembu. Uyatsho ke umpilo uthi happy Mother's Day, today's flowers and chocolates could never match the depth of your love, your sacrifices, or the quiet strength you carry in every step. You didn't just help me graduate, you carried me across the finish line. Sometimes with your prayers, sometimes with your wallet, and always with your heart. You've poured so much into me, your time, your energy, your money, your everything, without ever asking for anything in return. And still, you cheer me on like I'm the one who deserves applause. Okay, when truthfully, it's you who deserves a standing ovation. If I lived if I lived 10 lifetimes, I could never repay you, but I promise to live this one with purpose, pride, and passion, because that's what you raised me for. I love you more than words can shout, more than bank accounts can count, and more than I've probably said out loud. Thank you for being my rock. So ke nanzo ke i-message emnandi ephuma emntaneni ke kaThobile Mseleku. Guys, your thoughts must get engaged down on the comments and sanibona shortly. Bye guys.